Howdy, folks. Yesterday, Bed Bath & Beyond submitted a filing with the SEC saying that they're not going to be able to file their Q3 financials on time due to having to update various inputs and estimates used to perform impairment testing. This means that we've got a write-down coming. So if you're like me and you're wondering, why is everybody talking about Bed Bath & Beyond all the time? You never invested in it, and quite frankly, you're confused by the whole thing. The answer is actually pretty simple. Back in 2021, when GameStop saw their short squeeze saga and the stock went, ballistic, Bed Bath & Beyond also caught a following of similar investors looking to invest in a chain of retail stores with an undervalued stock and lots of potential to squeeze shorts. And I'm not just making this up. It turns out that one of the largest investors in the GameStop squeeze, Ryan Cohen, a fellow Canadian, formerly from Chewy, well, he had bought 10% or nearly 10% of Bed Bath & Beyond, and they even let him appoint 3 directors. The issue with a lot of these YOLO stocks is that retail investors are often not sticky. They want to buy low, sell high, and they don't care what happens afterwards. In this case, Ryan and his firm, they sold all 9.5 million shares in August 2022 and profited approximately $68 million. Cohen has since been named in a $1.2 billion federal lawsuit where the plaintiffs are claiming that Ryan and the CFO of Bed Bath & Beyond, Gustavo Arnell, effectively ran a pump and dump, manipulating them into believing that good things were happening and Ryan was holding on to shares when he was actually dumping them. Okay, so flash forward to today. The Cohen saga is now effectively behind us, and Bed Bath & Beyond is back to being just a struggling business. In yesterday's filing, Bed Bath & Beyond shared some preliminary results, and for Q3, they're expecting revenues of about $1.3 billion, down from $1.9 billion a year ago. That's a pretty big annual decline. The company's expecting to print their 7th straight quarterly net loss. And let's talk about how much cash the company has. As of last quarter, they had around $850 million of liquidity, and they used $325 million of it in this most recent quarter, suggesting that the company has just over 2 quarters of cash left. They say they're going to do their best to manage this potential liquidity shortfall, but they're now projecting substantial doubt about their ability to continue as a going concern. Until yesterday, they were asking bondholders to swap out their holdings for new debt to give more breathing room, but canceled the deal on Thursday due to a lack of interest. With all this news, BBBY's 2024 debt is currently trading at 11.6 cents on the dollar, yielding 217%. It's going to take a real junkie to buy these bonds. Guys, let us know what you think in the comment section here. Is there hope for a comeback story, or is BBBY toast? Let us know. I want to hear your thoughts. Let's get some discourse going. All right. Thanks, everybody.